Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, let's make some stewed white beans Puerto Rican style. These beans are so good, they're so flavorful, hearty, rich, and they go really well with some white rice, some sweet plantains, and maybe some chuleta, I don't know, whatever you want to pair it with. But yeah, so let's get into it. So before we jump into the recipe, I just wanted to show you real quick the beans that I will be using today. These are navy beans, but any white bean will do. And here I have my small pot and I have it set over medium-high heat, and I'm just going to add a little drizzle of some extra virgin olive oil. And then once my oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of some diced white onion. And then I'm just going to saute it for a little bit until it's nice and translucent and fragrant. So after my white onions have been cooked down a bit, I'm going to add, I want to say about 1 ounce or so of some salchichon. Salchichon is just beef summer sausage, but you can also use some cooking ham and even some pieces of bacon. And you can add more or less if you want to, whatever your heart desires. So yeah, I'm going to saute this for about 3 minutes until my sausage is cooked down and nice and sauteed. Alright, so about 3 minutes or so have passed. And now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of some fresh sofrito. And by the way, if you don't have fresh sofrito on hand, there's no shame in getting store-bought sofrito once in a while. It's okay. Use whatever you have on hand. And now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of some diced pimientos. And now a little bit of tomato sauce. Here I am adding about 2 tablespoons or so. And next up, a couple of olives because they make me happy. And to be honest, I'm the only one in my family that likes olives. And now I'm going to add 1 packet of some Goya Sazón with cilantro y achote. And just half a packet of some Goya pork sazon. If you want to use the whole packet, that's fine too. This is just to my liking. Now I'm going to give it a nice mix. And now I'm going to add my beans that have already been drained and rinsed really well with water. And then about 2 cups of water. And after I add my water, I'm going to give my beans a nice stir, and at this point, check it for salt. If you feel that it doesn't need any salt, don't add it. And if you feel that it needs a little more, just add a little pinch at a time. So after I've added all of my ingredients, I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. This is just to my taste. And then I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of some squash. This is acorn squash, but butternut squash works just the same. And then I'm just going to cover my caldero and I'm going to let it cook for about 20 minutes over medium heat. And just like that, my beans are done. So if you've stuck with me through the entirety of this video, thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and please like this video and share it with your family and friends. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell because a new video will be out every week. Until next time.